So I'm in this fabulous Airlie Beach this weekend with Sumi, Janine Vosper and Moana Robinson for the Personal Branding and Styling Retreat. And it's been an amazing journey so far, learning about how to talk about ourselves, how to present to an audience.
A wonderful time today. We were with Janine Vosper from Speech Perfect, and she asked some uncomfortable questions and got us to dig deep into what our story really is.
And we've had Janine Vosper from Speech Perfect helping us create our story. There's been some probing questions, some great format and prompting questions to help us draw out experiences in our life so we can create a story, which could be for a presentation, for a LinkedIn profile, or even just that elevator pitch. And I have just spent an amazing couple of days with Moana and Sumi. They show you your inner beauty, they bring it out through colour and style and photography and make you feel absolutely amazing. I started this weekend in my daggy clothes, wanting to just get a speaker bio and a brochure, and I have come away feeling amazing. I know my colours, my style, passion has come out, I know my story, and I am so stoked by the brochure that I am going to get out of here that I thought, but also the amazing women I have met. Other people like me, people I want to be around and learn more about. It's been brilliant. You have to come next year. It's more than what the advertising says. You'll just love it.
I couldn't have asked for a better 5 days, honestly.
One of the biggest takeaways for me is coming away feeling that we can still be confident and we can still be beautiful at any age. You know, turning 50 can be hard sometimes, and it's just been a wonderful weekend to get to know ourselves again.
It has been an amazing experience. Janine, Sumi and Moana are experts in what they do, and they bring out the best in you and teach you how to basically present to the world through your business as the best person that you can be in what you wear, what colors suit you, how to pose for photographs, and how to tell your story.